All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill we just had done for a customer. This one here is 925 sterling silver. It does have the white border around it and the diamond dust finish in the middle that you can see there shining. Okay, now this is a 6 top, 6 bottom teeth. Show you the back side. So this snaps right on the teeth. There's no silicone mold involved. It just snaps right on there because it's made from an actual mold of the customer's teeth. So it's gonna fit perfectly. It snaps right on, stays on, looks beautiful. Check that out. Nice diamond dust finish with the white border. 925 solid sterling silver, guys. Well, there it is. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.